How to make your iPhone screen darker than the lowest brightness. Is your iPhone screen still too bright at night, even with the brightness turned all the way down? In this video, I'll show you several easy ways to make your iPhone screen much darker and more comfortable for nighttime use. Method 1. Turn on dark mode. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open Control Center. Press and hold the brightness slider. At the bottom, tap dark mode to enable it. Your iPhone will instantly switch to a darker interface, making menus and apps much easier on your eyes. Method 2. Make your app icons dark. Next, press and hold an empty area on your home screen. Tap Edit, then select Customize. At the bottom of the screen, choose Dark for your app icons. Your icons will immediately switch to a darker appearance that matches dark mode. Method 3. Use a dark wallpaper. A dark wallpaper can also make your iPhone feel less bright. Open the Photos app and select a dark or black wallpaper. Tap the Share button. Scroll down and tap Use as Wallpaper. Adjust the image if needed, then tap Add. Choose Customize Home Screen. If you want the wallpaper to look sharper, turn Blur off. Then tap Done to save your changes. Method 4. Enable Reduce White Point. Now open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Select Display and Text Size. Scroll down and turn on Reduce White Point. Use the slider to adjust the intensity. Around 25% gives a slight dimming effect. 50% to 75% is comfortable for most people at night. 100% provides the maximum dimming possible. This reduces the intensity of bright whites and makes your screen much darker than the normal brightness slider allows. And that's it. Those are the best ways to make your iPhone screen darker than the minimum brightness.